Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. This reading is going to be for Scorpios and this is for the first 15 days. First 15 days of this month, March 2021. This is a timeless reading. So even if you come across this after 6 months, you may have a message here. So let's see what do we have in store for my Scorpios. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter signs, and if you're a cross watcher, you can always reverse the energies, okay? So let's see. We will see your partner's current feelings towards you, your current feelings towards them, the outcome and the mutual energies. We will do a small reading for singles also. Let's see what do we have in store for my singles. Okay, the first card is Justice. Your person is someone who wants to be fair towards you. This person is somebody who feels that maybe they have lost you already. They have the fear that they may have lost you. Yeah, this person wants to work in this relationship because they have that fear that maybe they have lost you. I don't know, maybe you have stopped talking to this person, or there may be a pause in your relationship right now. So let's see. Lovers, look at this. Oh my god. Chariot. Okay, let me shuffle the cards and then I will do your reading. We have the King of Cups, Five of Wands, Two of Swords and King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is Six of Wands. Okay. Guys, you are in a relationship with somebody who is your soulmate. It's like an intense connection between both of you. You cannot live without them, they cannot live without you, but one of you is hiding. And as far as I feel right now, this is an ongoing process between that hide and seek phase, okay? Your person right now, they feel that because of the conflict that you have had in the past, or you know, something, your person feels, because of something, this person feels that they may have lost you. They have this fear that this person may have lost you, okay? But they don't know that it's just a pause. It is just a pause. It is not a permanent breakup. Some of you, maybe you're not talking to each other, or there is a distance. It's like you talk to each other, but that's once in a while. It's not happening the way it was in the past, you know. It's like all of a sudden a good relationship has come to a standstill and it's not moving forward. Now this is a person who feels that they may have lost you, but this is just a pause, Scorpio, okay? As far as you are concerned, some of you, I feel that you're very spiritual. You're very spiritual and you are in this place now, you know. You don't want to be in this energy where you are confused between where you are confused as to what will happen, how will it happen, who is going to take the initiative. I do see you guys making a decision. It's like, you know, you want to sit and discuss with your person. You don't want to be in this energy where, you know, I feel that you have come to a point, Scorpios, where you don't want to wait further. This is like your thoughts, you know, you want to meet this person, talk to them, discuss about your future, discuss about marriage. That is what I feel, okay? You have made up your mind. You are not going to stay in this energy. You don't want to stay hanged, okay? And you also feel that for some of you, I feel that you have many people who are dying for your attention, okay? Especially if you're a woman, I feel that there are many people who are running after you, or there are many people who are fighting for you. Yes, but at the end, I feel that you are stuck on this person. This is a person that you want. You don't care about others, but this is a person that you want. You want to move forward with this person, Scorpios, and the outcome is very good. You both are going to come back to each other. There's no doubt about it. It's just a temporary pause. I do see a pause in your relationship. maybe you both are not talking to each other, or as I said, the communication has come to a point where you hardly talk. Okay, there's no communication, that kind of energy. But that's temporary, I don't see. Okay, as far as the outcome is concerned, you both are going to come back, reconcile. And I do, for most of you, I feel that it's mutual. I feel that your person is going to take some action towards you. It is going to be mutual, and this time you are like, hey, look, I'm in no mood to wait any longer, or I don't want to be in a relationship without knowing that this is not going anywhere. So I want to be sure before I move forward with you. So you are in that no BS zone. Okay, you don't want to wait any longer, and you want to be sure where is your relationship heading to. So I feel that you have come to a point where you want clarity, and you want a yes or a no from this person. But you don't have to worry, because you know it very well, Scorpios, that this person cannot live without you. Or this person could be somebody who may be hiding things from you in the past, but now they are going to talk, they are going to discuss. But I think this person is somebody who will go very slow. They are not going to tell everything to you all at once. So you will expect slow communications from this person. This person is going to go slow with you. Okay, at the end, what they want is marriage victory. They want victory. You both want this. It's just not them, you both want this. Okay, and this is a very intense divine relationship. Look at this, the Lovers and the Nine of Cups. Intense. King of Cups. All right, so let's see, what do we have in store for my singles? Okay, singles, 10 of Wands with 7 of Wands. I think there are many people who are trying to get close to you, singles, but you are in no mood to entertain any of them. Okay, you are happy being single, focused on work. Maybe you feel that you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders and you want to fulfill them. Some of you, I feel that maybe there are people around you, they are just being very negative, or they are trying to discourage you, or you're trying to prove your point to someone around you. This could be your family, your parents, your friends, somebody around you. So you're trying to prove something. I think you've made up your mind that you want to be something in life. Okay, you want to show people, you want to do things for your own self, you want to grow, that kind of energy. Okay, so you want to prove your point to people, you want to prove to people that you can be successful. Okay, that kind of energy. You want to be something, you want to be successful in life, singles. We have the Queen of Wands and 8 of Cups. Yeah, some of you, I think you may have recently moved away from a relationship in the past, but doesn't matter, guys. I do see that you are going to have an Aries, Leo, Saggy and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces heading your way very soon. So expect someone coming your way. Okay, so especially if it's an Aries, Leo, Saggy or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, so someone is coming your way very soon, Scorpios. I do see them heading your way, but I don't see you in a mood to get into a relationship so soon. So that is a different case. When would you go forward? When would you entertain such relationship? That is your call. But I certainly see some people approaching you. I don't see you in a mood. I feel that you are going to push them away. Yes, some of you, I feel that you are going to be in a relationship with no commitment. You may entertain some relationships with no commitment. You may try some relationships, but you don't want to get into any relationship which is serious. That is also something that I see here. Now, as far as message from this deck is concerned, we'll see what message do we have from Romance Angels. We'll see what message do we have from Romance Angel for my Scorpio. Calling in your soulmate. This is for you, singles. Okay, I do see some of you are going to meet your soulmates very soon, but then you'll have to visualize, you'll have to pray to find the right person for you. Okay, what type of partner you want. Okay, you'll have to ask, you'll have to pray, you'll have to tell universe. Okay, you'll have to, either you can write it on paper or you can pray every day. Okay, at least for 15-20 minutes if you want to meet the right person. Okay, So yeah, you are certainly going to meet someone soon. Wedding, oh my god, this is for Scorpios who are in relationship. I told you that you guys are in no mood of being in a relationship which is heading nowhere. So some of you, I think you're going to ask this person and you're going to get married instantly. This could be this year also. Okay, some of you, I do see wedding. So you're getting married this year. This could be wedding, engagement, something like this. Let's see what else. You deserve love. Wow. This is especially for singles, okay? You feel that you don't want to be in a relationship so soon. You deserve love and you're going to find somebody. See, it's on the way, okay? You're going to find someone, just the right match for you, which is going to take some time, but you will find for sure. Because these two cards are only for you singles. New love. Oh my god, what is happening? New love, you deserve love, and calling in your... all the cards are in your favor single, okay? Some of you, you're going to find someone new and this is going to be beautiful. Some of you, you may have already met this person, but you are trying to shoo them away, okay? You are not interested, or you're not paying attention to this person, something like this. All right, stay optimistic about your love life. This certainly means that some of you, maybe you're losing hope because you are not in talking terms. You feel that there is no communication between both of you, or things have slowed down. This is for Scorpio. Some of you, you may have lost hope. It's like, will I even find the right person? Or even if you are in a relationship, you feel that, will this person give you any commitment, or will this lead to marriage? You don't have to worry, because see, everything is in your favor here, Scorpios. I don't know for who is this reading, but everything is in your favor, okay? Everything will work in your favor. This relationship is a divine relationship. So don't worry about anything. Everything is going to work out at the end, all right? So that is it, Scorpios. I really hope you enjoyed this reading. And if you did, do like, share, subscribe, and stay in touch. You guys take care. Bye.